So, quick explanation of what's going on here. We removed the stabilizer from the lower arm and we destroyed the thread a little bit, so it got squashed. And we are heating up the threads in order to bring them back in shape, or at least we attempt to. And at the same time, we are burning the rubber because we simply could not get them out off. So super difficult. Yeah, that's what's just happening here. I'll fast forward the rest, don't worry. So, quick status update. We removed the last pieces from the lower suspension, control arm, where you have these bushings bars in there. Unfortunately, these bars I can't get new. I just can't find them in Rock Auto, for example. So we were able to remove it, but we had the problem that on this side, this guy didn't want to get loose, so we used a bit too much force. So we deformed one side. The other one is also slightly deformed. It's not as bad as the other one, but it's also deformed. So we had to use quite a bit of heat to help getting this thing back in shape. As you can see, it's more or less in shape now. More or less, as I said. So we want to file it a bit or sand it, and then cut a new thread in it and make new holes so we can put the spline in it again. So yeah, I have to see what we are going to do next. That was I was not planning for it, but hey, if we can do it, why not? I have help finally. Dino is a big help in that sense. And yeah, now I have to see if the others come around and prepare the frame, or if we just continue painting like the smaller parts here. So we did one of these bars as well. They're from the battery mount. So I still want to do these. I have the transmission tunnel, these links, and somewhere, oh yeah, and you already saw me preparing these. So they will all be painted as well, and then, yeah, preparation. So, as you can see, frame painted, finally. Now, need to let it dry a couple days, and then we are finally able to start putting things back onto the frame. A couple pieces are already painted as well. So we have here the upper axle pieces, the brake ducts. Next will be spring, hub, wheel joint, I'm not sure. So plenty of stuff to do. And of course the rear axle, it is still there. Yeah, we still need to clean up a bit more, like areas like down here. And once that's done, this thing can be prepared as well. Alrighty, guys, we call it a day here. Sunday evening, it's 8:15. Work is calling tomorrow. So everyone have a good week, and we will see each other next weekend. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.